Hello friends, this is Vijay from Apps TT. Today we are going to learn new or unknown tips from Google Sheet. Stay tuned. The first tip is how to generate the automatic sequence number. Previously we do like this 1 and 2. We can combine both cells and drag and down. It will generate the automatic sequence number. Okay, what is the easiest way to generate those numbers? So again, I can remove that and go to the column and add sequence. Okay, and rows. Rows mean how many rows we need to update that count. So currently we have a 20 row. So except the heading, so I can update the 20 and column, one column, then starting number. So I need to start with 1. Just enter it, it automatically generates. Okay, perfect. If suppose I need to add another number like this, it automatically generates the sequence number. How? It is very simple. So again I need to go to this. I can remove this, then go to the same formula. Once add the sequence and rows. Rows means we need to update this row. Okay, then count of A, that means it will update only the column have a value. So the value means except heading. So the value starting from B to B and close the count. And column value is 1 and starting the value is 1 and click enter. Okay. So now I need to update the another row like 56. If I enter it automatically create. And adding this, it automatically created. So this will help if we need to add new row, then the customer ID or sequence number will be automatically generated. The second technique is dynamic sequence number. How do I generate the dynamic sequence number? Okay, for example, if I select this and filter it, clear, then select randomly pick the full name of customer, then click OK. In here, the key value is it's changing the sequence. So actually it was 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, but it shows what exactly shown in the previous. So how do I generate like dynamic sequence number here? Okay, now I can remove it, then and remove the entire column and go to we can use the subtotal here. What is a subtotal? Subtotal is nothing but it returns subtotal for vertical range. So currently we need to change it. We need to filter the column 3, right? This is 1 and this is 2 and this is 3. So we need to change the column 3, okay, and range C2. So I need to select the column, that means C2. So first we need to product the cells, then C2C. First I need to select C2 and enter. Now I need to drag and down to till. So it will generate the same sequence number. Now we need to again filter those customer table. Go to that and filter it. Now I can clear all selected customer name and pick randomly different customer names. Okay, then click OK. It will generate the dynamic sequence number. Again I need to add mode customer name, then click OK. It will generate the dynamic sequence number. Hello friends. The third technique is extract the pattern. What is the extract pattern? That means we have an address line along with the pin code. So we need to extract those pin codes in the separate column. So how do I extract those pin codes? In here, this is a pattern like numbers along with the underscore and along with the number. There is a pattern. So we need to use regex function to identify the pattern and extract those pin code in the separate column. Okay. Now I need to insert the column on left and named as the heading as pin code. Then we need to use the regex extract. So regex extract and select the exact exact column. We need to which column needs to be extract, and select that, and open the double quote and close the double quote. Then we need to identify the pattern. The pattern first start with the digit. So /d, it means it's identify the digits of the description, and plus it is as simple as the digit continue with another digit. Okay, then we need to specify the underscore. So we need to use open square bracket and close square bracket. In between we need to add underscore. That means we need to identify the specific character. Then plus. The plus means we need to continue the number along with the underscore. Again /d. This will only /d is only identify the single digit. If I add plus, it will be continue with the another digit. Then close the bracket and just enter it. Just I drag and drop. It will extract exact the pattern as a separate pin code. Hello everyone. In the previous video, we could extract the pin code using the extract method. It may be difficult to understand. Okay, what is the easiest way to extract those pin codes? Okay, let's move to the Google Sheet. In here, already we know this is a pattern of the same pattern for all the cells. So we can use same pattern method. First, we need to enter the first pin code of the first cells. That means 6220001 underscore 021. Now we can use the method is called flash fill. The flash fill is nothing but it is identify the pattern and fill the remaining cells. Okay, let's retry. So Control Shift to Y. Now the Google Sheet doesn't understand the pattern of the first cell. So again we need to train the flash fill algorithm. So again I can update 6220001 and underscore 161. Now we can add another pin code number of another cell. Now we can try again Control Shift Y. Now the Google Sheet will identify the pattern and replace the remaining cell. So it is make simple, right? So compare than the previous one. So okay, then we can move on the another example. In here there is a first name column is empty. So I need to extract those first name. For example, Christy need to be updated in the first column. Same for parents Elizabeth. Okay, how do I do that? Same mechanism we can use. Then first we need to copy and paste it. Now we can use Control Shift Y. No, that means the Google Sheet doesn't identify the pattern. So again I need to copy that name and paste it here. Now I can press Control Shift Y. Now the Google Sheet identify the pattern and replace the first name of the full name. Okay, vice versa, we can update the last name of the full name. So I can update the 0. Now I can try Control Shift Y. No, it is not working. Still the Google Sheet doesn't understand the pattern. Okay, now update the Roy and Control Shift Y. Bang! So every time we need to train the algorithm of flash fill. Once it's identify the pattern, it will replace all the cells. So it is make simple, right? Hello everyone. Today we can learn the DateDiff function in Google Sheet. Google Sheet has many of date function. Currently we can learn the DateDiff function. Okay, what is the DateDiff function? The DateDiff function is difference between two dates based on the interval. Let's go to the Google Sheet. In here we have a parameter called date of join. Then we need to get the year of experience based on the date of join. So we can use the DateDiff function. Okay, the DateDiff function has three parameters. Already we said, that means starting date and ending date, the unit. The unit is nothing but we have a data like date wise, month wise or year wise. So currently we need a data of year wise. Okay, let's move. The start date is nothing but date of join. Okay, the ending date is today. So we can use today's date. Okay, then interval is Y. That means we need a year of experience based on the years. just click and bang. So it automatically fill the information of years. Okay, now we can get the year of experience in the month wise. The same formula we can use. Okay, date t. Okay, again the start date, comma, ending date is today. Okay, now we can use the interval is month. So now we can get the information of month wise, vice versa. Copy that information and paste it here, and we can change it days. That means it will show us how many days between the two dates. This is how many months between the two dates. This is how many years between the two dates. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more learning videos.